he's scared.
Yeah?
And he's scared all in. Oh no, go away. There's no light. He's crying. There's no light. And he's crying. Stop! And Snow White is crying.
Oh, poor Snow White.
And he's scared of the way. He's scared of all the way.
Oh, that was such a good story. Then what happened?
Wake up! I said wake up! Stop!
Be nice to him.
But he's licking me.
But he's trying to read the story.
No,
He wants to listen too.
I went to his friend, and the friend was like Snow White. And he hold it in there. And,
Hello.
please be quiet. And he say hello.
Hello.
And he go in the house, and he go in the house, and he's going to the house, and came in the house, and talking it. And he's falling asleep. I said wake up!
You just told me to fall asleep.
No, I said yeah, when it's dark, there's no way you sleep.
Oh.
And Snow White is sleeping. Stop sleeping like Snow White is sleeping. And he wake up. And he's cleaning the room. And everybody's going Snow White. The house Snow
Watch
White.
out. You're going to get pushed again.
He's gonna push. And he's sleeping again. And he wake up. And he sweat. Oh no! Go away! So, what is this, right? He's always the same. And Snow White knows that. His name is always that. I don't know that. See, your phone said, you drink. He drank.
Oh no.
He's a win. He drank a win.
Yes.
He drank. And he's a win.
Mm-hmm.
It's still a win. And he's washing those guys. He's dancing.
T-shirt.
And he's
This is
dancing.
going to be too hot, I think.
And he's dancing.
Yeah.
Oh, you filming?
And he's eating the apple. And tie. And died the apple. He died.
Oh no.
And he died. And he bites. And he died.
Oh no.
And he bites again.